Right now, I will discuss about firewall, firewall tree. Like that, at first, I will discuss about basic concept of firewall. Before we are talking about how to actually firewall CMD, you to manage your firewall configuration, you should get familiar a few basic concepts that the tool introduce. So the first concept is right now we are trying basic concept. basic concept uh, basic concept firewall like that most uh, wanted traffic zone zone. What is zone? The firewall term on manage group or rule using interest calls zone. Again, the firewall Dramon manage groups of rules using interest called Zone. Zones are basically set of rules detecting what traffic should be allowed depend on the level trust you have to the networks your computer connect to. Network interface are ascended a zone to detect the behavior that the firewall should be allowed. For the computer that might move between network frequency like if left off this kind of flexibility provide a good method of changing your rules to depend on environment. So you may have a stick rule in place most traffic when operating ongoing public Wi-Fi network while allowing the most relaxable restriction with connected to your home network. So I will discuss some concept of like that drop. What is this? The lowest level of trust. So a regular at the dynamic your network environment maybe the is still used to be familiar with the general idea behind is a provide a zone for firewall in order largest tasks to most trusted. So zone within the firewall are drop of the lowest trust. Drop is the lowest trust. In incoming connection at the drop it without replay and only outgoing connection are possible. Then okay, then block, then public, then external. It's a term like that. I will discuss about details. DMG, that means DMG, June, work, work zone, home zone, trusted, trusted zone. That is drop, block, public, external, DMC, work, home, and trusted zone. Block, similar to the above to but interact the similar dropping the connection incoming requests are rejected within ICMP host public represent public untrusted network. It's no trust about computer, but maybe allow selected incoming connection in case by case basic like that. So I will discuss DMZ used for the computer. Look at in the DMZ zone, isolate computer that will be not have access to the rest of your network. Only certain incoming connection are allowed. Work used for the work maintenance trust most of their computer in the network. A few more servicing might be allowed. A home environment, the home network, the home zone, it's generally impact their you trust and others computer and that few service be accepted. So right now we have discussed about installation procedure. So okay, install firewall on Linux. So it's a Linux terminal. It's a Linux 7, CentOS 7. So right, yum sudo. Actually, some prerequisite when you install a firewall tree, that means it's a some requirement. So I think I will discuss about details. Install like that user within a sort of privileged access to computer command line and send transmission like that. At first, I'll discuss like that about that means yum install firewall t. Dear viewers, right now I will discuss about welcome to another video. Dear viewers, I will discuss about install firewall in Linux. Firstly, have some issue like that when you install your Linux. Firstly, sudo privilege. It's a requirement. So sudo yum install firewall tree. Just do it. I think it's the already installed latest version. So I will check status. Sorry. Let me first is status. So yes, 3 trail. That means is a running. So again, it's a running. So the basic concept is there. The first some step like that. One step is road privilege. Then second step is install package. Third step is start. Fourth step is enable and check status. That means it's the procedure. So already we are road privilege already installation practice start and enable check status. So we are should enable. So right system ctl status, not status, enable firewall day. Sorry, systemctl enable That means enable and that show status. So thank you. The next video, and the next video, I'll be start. So we are showing, actually we are showing at one common like that. Firewall CM3 STA T. Just do it. It's running. So check status is running. Thank you. Watching another video.